Hey guys, I am shooting this video. It's real quick and it's at school and it's Wednesday afternoon. And I'm doing it because I noticed today when we were going over long division, even those students that are able to grasp mathematical concepts pretty fast are having trouble with long division. And I wanted to share with you guys how we've been teaching them here at school so that you can help them a little bit more at home. I'm going to show you 3 different strategies that we've been using here, and one of them will seem familiar. The other 2 are kind of new, and I can't take credit for any of them. One is the old-fashioned way. One is one that Pam Arnold, Anna Lee's mom, shared with us, and then Kathy Coley shared another one with us. So I'll start with the old-fashioned way, and we'll do, let's see, 6 into 137. 6 can't go into 1, but 6 can go into 13 twice. So you multiply 2 times 6 and you get 12, and then you subtract. You get 1 left, and then you bring down the 7. Then you kind of start all over again. 6 into 17. It's close to 3, but that would put us at 18, so we can't quite go to 3, so we stay at 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract again, and we get 5. There's nothing more to bring down, and 5 is smaller than 6, so we have to stop right there. The answer is 22, and 5 is the remainder. Okay, that was the first one, the old-fashioned way. And I'm going to show you the way Anna Lee's mom told her how to do the same problem. It is 137 divided by 6. And it's basically the same thing. We just don't write all this stuff down. We just kind of keep it all contained right there. 6 cannot go into 1, but 6 can go into 13 twice. So we put the 2 up there. We multiply it again and we get 12, but we don't write it down here, we just keep it in our head. So 13 minus 12 is 1. We put the 1 right there to make 17. So 6 can go into 17 almost 3 times, but we would be a little bit over. So 6 can go into 17 twice. Put a 2 right there. 6 times 2 is 12. We would normally write it right here, but we're just going to keep it in our head. 17 take away 12 leaves 5. So the remainder is 5. Okay, the last way I'm going to show you, Kathy Coley taught me this one today, and several kids really enjoyed this one, but it takes a little bit, of thinking to get through this. All right, same problem. 6 divided by 137 divided by 6. If the kids are not fluent in their multiplication facts yet, division is hard, and we have children that aren't fluent in their multiplication facts. We do have fluency across the board in 2s, 5s, and 10s. So we're going to use our fluency in 2s, 5s, and 10s to approach this division problem. Okay, so we're going to look at this whole thing, 137. And how many times can we put 6 into 137? Well, we know our 10s. So let's start with, let's try 10 times. 10 6s, that's going to make 60. That's not quite to 137, so let's do it again. We need 10 more. And that's going to be 60 more. So what are we up to now? 120. That's not quite to 137. Actually, there's 17 difference. 137 take away 120 is going to be 17. So how many 6s will go into 17? Here we are again. It's almost 3, but that would be too much, so let's do 2. 2 6s equals 12. So how close are we to 137? We're at 132. We can't get much closer to that. So how many 6s total did we use? We used 22 6s. And what's the difference between 132 and 137? The difference is 5. So the total is 22, remainder 5. I hope that helps. I hope I don't look ridiculous doing this, but there was 3 distinct ways that we did it today, and your child will be able to use one of these strategies at home as they gain more fluency in division. See you at school!